Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power, plug, switch, and fuse so you're not troubleshooting dead power. Once done, remove the platter, lift or unscrew, then inspect the belt for breaks, cracks, or excessive stretch. If the belt is off, note its path around motor pulley and platter rim. Make sure to wear soft gloves to avoid fingerprints on the platter surface. This first set of steps establishes whether it's a simple belt problem or something electrical, saving time before deeper disassembly. Next, you isolate the motor. With platter removed, apply power briefly to the motor spindle to see if it spins. If it does, measure speed using a smartphone strobe app or count rotations and calculate RPM. This tells you if idler/pulley slip causes slow spin. Once confirmed, clean motor shaft and pulley with isopropyl alcohol, then refit or replace the belt with the correct size. Make sure to route the belt precisely. Incorrect seating changes torque and speed. Finally, you reassemble. Place the platter, secure any spindle clips, and select the proper speed. Once assembled, run a test record at 33 or 45 RPM and listen for consistent pitch and no wobble. This confirms alignment and belt tension. If you still hear irregular speed, check the motor capacitor or any worn bearings. These affect rotation stability. If those checks are beyond your tools, contact a qualified technician. Otherwise, replacing the capacitor or bearings will usually restore smooth, reliable spinning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.